In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Columns Autolink for Monday.com. Let's dive right in and get started with this useful feature. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so now using your credentials. Once you're inside Monday.com, your main workspace should be visible. From here, the next step is to identify the specific board you want to work with. Boards are essentially the backbone of Monday.com, serving as the primary framework where all your tasks and projects are organized. So, after spotting the board you have in mind, navigate directly to it. At the end of your current columns, you'll notice a small plus sign button. Clicking on this button opens up a world of additional column functionalities. With that done, it's time to connect boards. Find and click on the option labeled Connect Boards, and then proceed by selecting Boards. This will present you with a list of all available boards you have access to. Take a moment to choose the board you want to connect with. It's important to ensure this board aligns well with your current workflow to enhance efficiency. Upon finalizing your board selection, you'll be prompted to establish a two-way connection. This step is crucial as it ensures a seamless flow of information between your chosen board and any others you plan to work with. Click on Create Two-Way Connection to solidify this link. Shortly thereafter, you'll need to click Connect Boards again, thereby finalizing the connection between the boards. With the connection firmly in place, it's time to create a mirror column. Locate and click on Create a Mirror Column. Doing this will make a new column that reflects data from your connected board, offering a synchronized perspective that's incredibly handy. As we're nearing the completion of our setup, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Automate. Automation is a critical component that boosts productivity by slashing the need for manual updates. In the Automations panel that appears, make sure to select the Board Automations tab. From here, you'll want to click on Add Automation, which will allow you to create a custom automated sequence. Start by clicking on When This Happens, effectively setting a trigger for the desired action. Selecting Column Changes enables updates and notifications whenever a specific column is modified. Following that, click on Notify. This function is crucial for ensuring relevant parties receive timely updates. Next, highlight the column that will act as your trigger by clicking on Column and making your selection. Then, proceed to craft a message under the Notify section. The message should be clear and concise, detailing the change or update so that everyone knows what's happening. Lastly, click on Someone to select who needs to be notified. After reviewing everything to ensure it's all set up, click Create Automation. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Columns Autolink on Monday.com, streamlining your workflow and keeping your team well informed every step of the way.